Hey guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and grow an email list on your Wix website. But before we get started, I do want to mention that we're on the road to our first 5,000 subscribers. So if you are new around here or you've been around for quite some time, I do want to challenge you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really would help out a lot. But now let's get back to the tutorial. So the first thing we need to do is actually add a subscription form. So we're going to come over to add, we're going to come over to contact and forms and come down to the subscribe option. Now we can add any of these that we'd like. I'm just going to go ahead and add this one. Now this default design doesn't really look that good. We can easily just change the design. For the background, I typically like to remove the background color completely because it doesn't typically match my style. For the input fields, you can change the border color and all that kind of stuff. But I'm not going to go through all of the design today. In today's video, I'm just going to teach you actually how to set it up and manage it properly. So to actually get people to subscribe to your mailing list, in most cases, you need to offer something. For example, on my website, I offer a couple freebies when people subscribe. They get an SEO checklist and a branding worksheet. If you're interested in these freebies for yourself, then you can go to the link in the description and subscribe to the Wix Fix website. So as you can see, when users subscribe to my website, they will get access to an SEO checklist and a branding worksheet. Now, this may not work for every website. Like let's say you're an e-commerce website. Instead of offering freebies like these, maybe you can offer a 10% off discount code. Basically, you just need to offer something to entice your users to actually subscribe. In some cases, you may not actually have anything to offer. So maybe if your business is interesting enough, then maybe you can just say subscribe for our latest news, subscribe for future promotions or something like that. But in most cases, it is beneficial to offer something to your users to actually incentivize them to actually subscribe. And if you do offer something, you need a way to actually send it to them. For example, when my users subscribe on our website, they'll get an email sent to them with a link to like a hidden page where they can actually download the freebies. So in order to do that, let's say we wanted to create a secret page. So I'm just going to come over here, add a new page. We'll just call this general. And we'll just add this page right here. We are going to name it secret. We're also going to come over to the SEO settings and make sure that this is set to secret as well. So I'm just going to copy this. And just for fun, to help incentivize your users, it might be beneficial to add a title called Learn Our Secrets. So after they press the submit button, something needs to happen. In a lot of cases, it's beneficial to send them a welcome email. In order to do that, we actually need to go to our dashboard. So we're going to come over to settings, go to my dashboard. In the dashboard, we're going to come over to CRM tools and go to automations. Now we're going to create a new automation. We're going to call this new subscriber. And now we need to tell this automation what to do. When a user fills out a form, and we can say any form, but in this case, it's going to be a specific form and it's going to be the subscriber form. We're going to go ahead and press apply. And if your website has several different subscription boxes, then make sure just all of them are checked, just like that. When a user submits the subscription form, then we need an action to happen. We need to send an email to that contact. And here we can go ahead and edit a template, secrets. And now we can go ahead and edit the template. So over here on the left, the first thing I typically do is just choose a theme. I typically go for the minimal style. Then I just edit the template to be however I need it to be. For this one, I'm going to say thanks for subscribing. And then here's our secrets. And then in the button, we can link this to the secrets page. Once you are done with the email template, we can go ahead and press save and publish. And lastly, we need to make sure that the timing is set to immediately after triggered. That way, when they press submit on the subscription form, they will immediately get the email. And the last thing we need to do is actually just press activate. And now it is officially active. And if a user goes to your site, subscribes to your list, then they will get an email that links them to the secrets page. But that's basically it for the video today, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please like the video and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you on the next one.